welcome. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Crafter, and I'm here with the end of April for my Paper Stash Smash collab project. This is hosted by Debbie at Project 39 Mini Albums and Carolina at Carolina Crafts. The digital that I'm using is put together by Party Paper Papery by Miss Letty. I love these printables. I'm considering going digital next, so my planner's up at the end of May, so I'm kind of using both a paper planner and a digital planner for the next month to kind of see which way works best for me. I am enjoying my digital planner, and I'm using my add-ons here, and then also my Happy Planner downloads. I absolutely love their planners, so if you're interested in any of those, I will try to link them in the description box below. But this month for April, I did my Make It Simple Monday art impressions. I did 5 cards there. I did 21 hummingbirds from the All in Create Washi, buildable washi. Cactus washi, again from the All in Create buildable washi. I did 31 of those. Local King rubber stamps, I did 3, and then some miscellaneous cards I did 2, for a total of 62 cards this month. A lot of them are just the card fronts for storage for now, so I just went ahead and did the card front. I will add them onto the card bases later on, but I'm going to count those as completed. I still have a number of UFO projects left to go through for next month or in the next round of free choice. So come back and join me as we still try to smash our stash. I am so grateful for this collab because I am getting through so much each month. May is going to be 12 by 12 paper collections or sheets. I'm going to focus on sheets. I have a lot of individual single sheets out there that I want to kind of work through, so that's going to be my goal for May. So for May, I've got Traveler's Notebook swap for Ready Set Create. I've got a library theme for that one. I'm going to use up a lot of my single 12 by 12 sheets. I've got a Michael's paper pack that I'm going to cut down so it's card base ready so I can just use it. So I'm going to get that prepped and ready for use. I need some sympathy cards, Local King shape cards, so I just recently purchased some of Local King's digital shape cards, so I want to put some of those together, and also Ready Set Create mini folio swap. So much to do in this next month coming up. So I've got a good list of items that I'm looking forward to, so come and join me as we work our way through our stash, and please join in. I'm not on the collab team. I am just participating because I absolutely love the inspiration that it's provided. But let me do a quick flip through of what I accomplished this month and then what we're looking forward to doing next month. So as I said, a number of these are just the card fronts, but this is a cool little pillar card that I did. So much fun to make that. A little shaker mailbox card. These are the Local King rubber stamp fronts that I put together. And now these are the cactus washi tape ones. Again, these are the All in Create, so it's build a scene. So there's 4 different washi strips in here that build this gorgeous scene. These 2 are actually cards. The rest of them are just card fronts. But I used a bunch of my scraps. I was gifted a whole shoebox full of scraps by a friend. And so I went through and used just a ton of her scraps. So blessed to be able to put them to good use and give them new life before they've hit the trash can. So, and then as I was working through that, she gifted me another whole stack of single sheets. So again, the reason why the single sheet 12 by 12s are on my list for this month. But these are absolutely beautiful. These will make a great note card set to gift to people for the coming holidays or sell at my craft fair. Put together 3 or 4 different cards. I live in Arizona, so these cactus ones are just absolutely perfect for Arizona. I think I average between 20 and 26 cards per each roll of washi, so I get so many. I volunteer with an organization called Heaven's Hummingbird, so a number of these will be going to them as thank you cards and sympathy cards for them to give out. It is a bereavement program for parents who have lost their littles. So I have a lot of different hummingbirds in my collection because I love to put together cards for them. I make about 100 to 150 Mother's and Father's Day cards each year for them. along with bassinet name cards and memory boxes and just lots of goodies. As the stack keeps growing bigger and bigger, we have our last couple here. And there we go. So 62 cards made for this month, all ready to go on to new homes and new opportunities. I thank you so much for joining me on this journey. I'm so grateful that I'm working through my stash and smashing all of my paper. So check out all of the other great inspiration and the people that are on the design team so you can follow along and get inspired also. They have been inspiring me for years. Letty with Party Paper Papery was the one that kind of got me into this, so thank you so much, Letty. And join us along the journey, and let's see what you can smash. Oh, I did forget to show you some of the things I'm looking. I do have some single sheets here, 12 by 12, this cute little dog one that I purchased. I had an idea for it, so I need to get that used up. That one is for Pet Life from Memory Place. This one is Prima. It is Cherry Sweet Collection. Just some random script. I absolutely am in love with scripts. This one I can use as a cut part to make some cards. And then this was that spring glitter 12 by 12 pack from Michael's that I was mentioning, that I really want to get this cut down so it's ready to use and I'm not having to haul this around with me wherever I go. I did pull out a couple mini kits that I had in my collection. This one is from Photo Play. It's Honey Sweet Bee. So this is an option if I actually pull out in a collection, or the Daily Grind from Color Play. I'm just in a mood to work on some coffee stuff, so either one of these will be great to add in if I need an actual collection to work with. But if not, I have a ton of single sheets that I'm going to be working through this month. So come follow along, join me, and I will see you at the end of the month. I may do some videos throughout to kind of show you projects I'm working on. If I have time, it has been so busy to film and edit has been difficult, but I've been working in behind the scenes. As you can tell, I was at a craft retreat last weekend and was able to get some of these done, so you just never know when I'll be crafting along. So come join me. Thank you. Have a great day, and I will catch you next month for my wrap up and for what's coming in June. Take care, and I'll catch you later. Bye.